So today I have got an exciting video. I have got this year's Technic advent calendar to unbox. Mine is looking a bit skewy and it was packed really well. I bought this from Fragrance Direct. This cost me £15.97. It was a very random number, so yeah. I'm excited. You guys know I love to unbox the QKI, the Technic, the Sunkissed ones. I'm excited to see whether this is improved, because I know the Sunkissed, was it? Or the QKI, one of them had cream bronze and cream highlighting, so I was dead excited about that. So I'm wondering if Technic is going to have some new items in their advent calendar. This works out about 60 odd pence a day, so very budget friendly, especially for a teenager or a little gift or something for a teenager, something like that. And I will say, I don't think the Technic eyeshadows and the Sunkissed and the QKI ones are that bad. I mean, they're not amazing, but for the price you're paying, they aren't bad. You can make a nice eyeshadow look with them. But yeah, we're going to unbox this in anyways and see what it's like. This is it here. Really, really nice. Very warm toned, pretty. That was day number 1. So we want day number 2, which is down here. So I'm guessing another quad because it is square again. Yeah, this is not for me. This is the Technic Iris palette. It is like a blue one. I just don't like blue on my eyes. I really don't suit it. I love a cool tone palette, but yeah, that's not for me. Definitely not. Day number 3 is up here. Okay, this looks different. Oh, maybe not. It's just in black packaging. This is the Technic mascara. It's just a standard basic mascara. Let's have a look at the wand. Yeah, I really wish they would put their actual brand mascara, because they do canny mascaras, to be honest. Technic, I feel like Technic really get a bad jip because of these gift sets they do, because their actual makeup is quite canny. So that's day number 3. We want day number 4, which is here. This one's a bit easier to open, which is good. Oh my god. Oh my god, these are so terrible. I mean, you might want them. You know, some people stencil on their eyebrows. I've got bad eyebrows and I don't stencil on my eyebrows. Because they would not look the same. I mean, they barely look the same as it is, but they're naturally not the same, you know. Yeah, but we have got eyebrow stencils. Yeah, okay, so that's day number 4. Can I have my 60 odd pence for that day back, please? That was day number 4. So I missed day number 5, so I'm inserting it here. This is the problem with these advent calendars, these type of advent calendars. So day number 5, so please don't judge me. Day number 5 is a pink lip liner. That is it there. Number 6, which is up here. Right, let's have a look. Oh, this one is really hard to open. We have got something that looks different. Oh, dearie me, and we've lost it. We've lost it. It is a lip gloss in a very bright shade. How fab's this? This is definitely new. We've never had this before. Yeah, this looks nice. I'm not so sure about the whole red lip gloss vibe that seems to be happening in the advent calendars at the minute. I want a matte red, but yeah, beautiful. It's more like an orangey kind of coral shade. Yeah, so, but fab. Pretty. That was day number, I can't even see, 6. We want day number 7. There's a tiny little door here. What are you, number 7? Oh, yay! It is the baby sponge. You guys know how much I loved this last time. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. So cute. Just for that, I really like that. To be honest, I know I'm sad. That was day number 7. We want day number 8, which is this one down here. We have got, I don't know what this is. A Technic liquid eyeliner in a brown shade. Let's open it up and have a look what the wand looks like. It's quite a thick wand. and it's a very light brown. And that is that one. Different product again. Look at Technic. That was day number 8. We want day number 9. Is this one up here. We have got, oh my god, it's lethal. We have got another lip gloss, and this is in a pale pink lip gloss. That was day number 9. We want day number 10 up here. I'm guessing another eyeshadow palette. Ooh, I like the look of this one. So we've got a green eyeshadow palette, which I'm very excited about because I do want a green eyeshadow. But I don't want to have to go out and buy like a full-on green eyeshadow palette for something for one day. So this will do what I need, I think. Very, very pretty. Ooh. And that is them there. I definitely could have maybe done a better swatch, but yep, I'm excited about that. This was called the Willow palette. Pretty. So that was day number 10. We went to day number 11. Down here, it's like the same shape as the lip glosses, so I'm guessing another lip gloss. Yeah, perforated lines aren't the best on this advent calendar. Yep, it's another lip gloss, and it is like a coral shade, very pretty. That was number 11. We want day number 12, which is this one here. We have got a lip liner, and it looks like in the same corally orangey shades that we've been getting. Pencil 1, full size. We want day number 13, which is this one here. We have got a liquid illuminator. This looks nice. What's the applicator? So it's just a squeezy one like this. Is it here? This one here. Quite thick, but it's blending in lovely. Like, can you see it there? Oh, really pretty. Oh, so pretty. That was day number 13. We want day number 14, which is this one here. We have got another liquid eyeliner in a black one. That was 14. We want day number 15. It's here. Ooh. This is a shimmer blush, and look how pretty that is. Oh, this would be such a pretty spring summer shade. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Right, that was day number 15. That is like a proper blush, like a one you would pick up in a shop and all. Fab. Right, so that was day number 15. We went day number 16, which is below it. We have got another blush, but this is a matte blush. They don't have shade names, but this is it here. How pretty is that? Fab, fab, fab. I feel like we're getting like proper products. I'm really, really happy with that. At 16, we want day number 17, which is here. I've got another lip liner in a very pale pink shade. Yeah, just not for me. Not for me at all. Right, that was 17. We want day number 18 up here. Ooh, we have got another like proper product, a Technic matte bronzer. This is it here. It definitely looks like somebody's had maybe their finger on it, or it's just, I don't know. You see it's got a little bit of an indentation. Yeah, it looks a bit dark for me, but so I might put this in my giveaway. 18. We want day number 19, which is this one here. Ooh, we've got a little Technic brow palette. I've got this. I'm positive I've got this. It's just a little brow product like that. I feel like I've gotten this out of a gift set or maybe last year's Advent Calendar. It's got the wax in 2 shades. That's 19. We want day number 20, which is this one here. Just going to go easy and pull along. Just make my life easier, basically. This is another lip liner in a reddish orangey shade. So I feel like you're getting lip liners to coat and go with the lip glosses. That's good. That was 20. We went day number 21. Oh my god, please don't be a mirror. It's not. It is a pair of eyelash curlers. And they are in like a black colour. Very nice. They feel nice as well. Okay, I'm impressed. We didn't get a mirror up to now. That was 21. 122, which is here. Oh, we've got another bronzer. This is a shimmer bronzer. What? This looks really, really nice. I think it's just the way the lids went on, because this has got the same sort of like impression on it on some of the bits. I think it's the way the lids have been pushed on. So I don't think it's actually somebody touching it. So that's fab. That was day number 22 and day number 23. This one here. We've got another lip gloss, and this is in a pink shade. Yeah, just not for me, the shades of the lip glosses, which is such a shame. Right, I'm just making sure this isn't 25 days, you know. Oh, I missed day number 5. So day number 24, I've double checked, I can't see no day number 25. Is this one down here. And we have got a primer. It is a smoothing primer. Oh my god, Technic, are you shocking us with your new updated Advent Calendar? It feels like the Smashbox primer. Maybe a less powdery version of it, but it's very, very similar. The like texture of the Smashbox primer. Whether it smooths is the question though, but at the price that it costs. And that was the Technic Advent Calendar unbox. And this Advent Calendar cost under £16. It was like £15 random 97 pence or something like that. I'm shocked. I'm really impressed with it. The improvement from their previous years is just unreal. Like absolutely unreal. There's a lot of products I'm actually excited about to use. I think this is one for teenagers and something like that. And I think the only really good day this time. Oh my god, the only good day actually. The only good day is, to me, is these. I can't believe that. 60 odd pence a day this Advent Calendar works out at. I mean, obviously not all the shades and everything is my cup of tea. And obviously I've got loads of makeup, so I'm very cautious on what I swatch and that now. But I mean, I'm impressed. I'm actually pleasantly surprised with this Advent Calendar. Let me know what you think. This was a little sneak. I mean, this was a sneak. Yeah, I like this. I think compared to their previous Advent Calendars, what an improvement. What an improvement. Yeah, so I'm pleasantly surprised with this Advent Calendar. I will link it down below because I feel like quite a few of you might want this for your niece, your daughter, something like that. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video of this Advent Calendar. And anyways, and well done to Technic for starting to like take back our feedback and start making their Advent Calendars a bit more like their actual products. Yeah, I would love it if you subscribe, share, do all that, help me get my channel growing. Yeah, I would really like to get to 4,500 for Christmas. That's kind of my goal I've kind of set myself, so I would love it if you share and stuff like that. And if you haven't already, I would love it if you subscribed as well, if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.